Hey, it's Glam with Maddie, and today I'm going to show you how I like to clean my makeup brushes. Now, I try to clean my makeup brushes at least once a week, if not more, and this is how I like to do it. My DIY brush cleaner is made with two ingredients, this Suave coconut shampoo and water. So I like to put a little bit of the shampoo in an empty container. This one was just for makeup remover wipes. And then I fill up the container with water and give it a good shake. I really love using shampoo because it deep cleans the bristles really well and it isn't too pricey. Adjacent to the sink, I'm going to set up a towel to lay the brushes on once they have dried. Now to actually cleaning the brush. I'm taking a dirty eyeshadow brush and dipping it into the container. Now I'm swirling it and pressing it, and rubbing it into my hand to get rid of all of the gross buildup in this brush. Next, I'm just going to turn on the tap and rinse off the brush and my hand. I'm going to keep swirling the brush until there's no shampoo left. Squeeze out all of the excess water and then place it onto the towel. Now I'm just going to do this for every brush. I like to have my brushes dry flat on a table and not upright because I do not want them to dry in any weird shape and become deformed. I try to take the best care of my brushes because I want them to last as long as possible. As for my eyelash curler, I'm taking a cotton round in coconut oil or makeup remover, and I'm just rubbing it all around to remove any excess mascara or eyeliner that got onto the curler. Sponges are the hardest for me because there's so much shampoo solution that doesn't come out, but I still try my hardest because I want to have clean sponges. So basically, I just dip it in whatever left of the brush solution. I always do these last for some reason. And I'm going to keep squeezing it to get the solution all over the sponge. Now I'm going to run it under water and squeeze to get the shampoo out. Now this takes me so long because the shampoo just doesn't want to come out of the sponge. So I end up resulting to turning off the water, keep squeezing, and then running it underwater again. This takes me a couple minutes each time, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get clean makeup sponges. So I let my makeup brushes dry overnight, and in the morning I make sure they're dry by putting my finger on the bristles to see if there's any water left, and if there's not, then I put it in a little canister and leave it on my makeup vanity. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one!